So first I want to show you how we pull diagnostics using the classic RF remote, probably the one that most of our customers are used to. What we recommend when inspecting a trailer, we recommend that you start on the road side, driver's side if you will, do the electrical, go around the back, pull the electrical there, and then jump under and do the slacks, and then come back the other side, and then back up at the front, finish ABS. So that's what we're going to do. It's really simple. By jumping circuits, you can start with your marker lights, and you can just jump off those marker lights right into your left turn signal. You'll want to make observations, of course, while you're doing this. ABS lamp. You should hear it engage with the ECU. Now we can jump underneath and we can activate the service air and measure the slacks. All right, that concludes the electrical. Now we're back up at the front. Again, when you're using the classic remote, the digital display here is where you'll read all your diagnostic results and the menus. As we were walking around, had we had any faults, you would have heard an audible alarm set off, and that would have brought us back to the tester to see what our fault was on the digital display. All right, now it's time to test the ABS system. We're back at the front of the trailer. All we need to do here is either from the remote or from here we can activate the ABS, gauge it. Takes it about 15 to 20 seconds. It's checking the primary and secondary circuits, reading the PLC code from the ECU. Determine that it's a WABCO easy stop 2S 2M configuration. We do have some active faults, looks like 2 of them. So all we need to do is hit select on the menu, like so. View active faults, select. And then we just use the up and down arrows to view the faults. So we got yellow 1 sensor, no speed detected. Yellow 2 sensor, no speed detected. You can clear the faults, or you can use the ABS button on the left to go back. So those are our active faults. We can view stored faults, hit the select. We have no stored faults in this ABS. We can clear the faults. We can look at the mileage. So as long as this has been connected, this ECU has been connected to this trailer, this is what the mileage will be. Showing 261,145 miles that this ECU is registered on this trailer. Continuing down, we have our ECU voltage test that determines the health of the aux line. So it's going to give you voltage at the nose cone, voltage at the ECU, looking at your amp draw on the aux line. Looks to be good. If you didn't catch the manufacturer configuration, that's the next thing on the menu. Again, we have a WABCO Easy Stop 2S 2M. And then we have serial number. If any of you have ever tried to fish a serial number from out underneath a dirty trailer, you certainly will appreciate this. Just hit the select button. There's your serial number with the FMI and the SID. You can call in to any of the ECU manufacturers, give them those numbers along with the serial number, and they'll know exactly what's going on, what faults you're experiencing. Then finally, we have special functions. Within that, we have a wheel speed test. If you're not sure what sensor that the sensor that you want to replace is the right sensor, you can simply lift up the back wheels and give them a spin, select the wheel speed, and it'll register RPM on that particular sensor to ensure you got the right one.